Now we have a little sprinkler monitoring system. So we'll change our group. We'll call it fire alarm. It's not actually a fire alarm, but close enough. So we've got a control panel, we've got a horn strobe, we've got a smoke detector. And we got a pull station. And we have some monitor modules. You can copy and paste these if you have a lot of these. I usually create them all before I ever start. Saves a little time. This only shows one, but I know there's going to be one for the tamper and there'll be one for the flow. So I know there'll be two of them. So this pretty much is all there is to the little sprinkler tie down.